This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending December 18th, 2021. Our question this week is, what is FUD? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.48% on Friday and was down minus 1.68% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 1.03% on Friday and was down minus 1.94% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.07% on Friday and was down minus 2.95% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were only 3 up finishes versus 12 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, all the major indexes ended down. On Wednesday, they all ended up. The new unemployment claims were 206,000 versus 195,000 expected. Mortgage refinancing decreased 6% for the previous week. U.S. home building starts increased 11.8% last month. Wholesale prices rose 9.6% in November, and the Federal Reserve stated they would decrease bond buying, and the president signed the debt ceiling increase bill into law. New unemployment claims, mortgage refinancing decreases, U.S. home starts increases, wholesale prices rising, Federal Reserve bond buying tapering, and the increase in the debt ceiling are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down is virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will continue to go up because the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is FUD? That is FUD. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD is a strategy to influence perception by spreading negative, misleading, or false information about something as opposed to reasoned criticism. FUD is used in sales, marketing, public relations, politics, and cults. And of course, it is used in the investment world. When FUD is promoted in the stock market, investors, especially retail investors, are likely to sell their stock holdings based on false information. Of course, mass selling of a stock will cause the price of the stock to drop. Once the price drops, then bargain hunters or FUD purveyors will come in and buy the stock, which will in turn drive the price of the stock up. Have you ever been influenced by FUD? Did it cause you to sell a stock? Do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you don't understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. You are going to have to teach yourself if you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market. You must RSI. Read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you nothing about the financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is how most people should start. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page on the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is my trading watch list from the week ending December 18th, 2021. I trade at least 3 of the stocks on the list every week. The strongest performer on the list this week was Pfizer Incorporated, ticker symbol PFE. It's in the second column. It increased 12.69% for the week, but it was down minus 2.89% on Friday. Pfizer Incorporated discovers, develops, manufactures, markets, distributes, and sells biopharmaceutical products worldwide. It offers medicines and vaccines in various therapeutic areas. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Pfizer has increased just over 61.5% year to date. I did not trade Pfizer this week, but I have generated cash flow from it in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow. That is trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio is not outperforming the S&P 500 index ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is down minus 11.49% versus 23% up for SPY, a difference of 34.49%. The Southside is losing and losing badly to SPY by about 34.5%. The primary reason the portfolio is losing is that the Southside is heavily invested in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin took a big hit this year just when the portfolio started buying Bitcoin, and it has dropped for the past 6 weeks. Bitcoin is in a bear market. Will the bear market continue? I don't know. The portfolio is 79.61% in a Bitcoin trust. Equities, including puts, calls, and ETFs, make up 16.95% of the portfolio. Cash is 3.44%. The cash flow generated for this week was 0.51% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by minus 7.6%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 2.31%. I sold option contracts on 2 positions this week, 1 call and 1 put, that ranged from $220.05 to $310.40. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Check out past videos for other questions of the week. They are listed in the description section. Please like, share, and subscribe.